The big one sitting up there. Right there. Come on, bite that. He did, he bit it. Could be a big one. Could be. All right. About time for a 5-pounder to bite. Just when you think you ain't gonna. Boom. Old Biggie. Oh my God! Speak of the devil! Speak of the devil. Yes, please. Please, please, please. What happened? I didn't quite get him. I got that one though. It's around a tree. It's around that tree over there. Oh, it just come off. I mean, big. Either that or it's not a bass. Right here. Oh! Oh! Why? Why? It was so big, dude. Well, welcome back, gang, to another episode, and thank you for clicking on it. It does mean a ton to me, actually. So, let's give a big shout out to Cole McFarland and Ryan Jordan, his partner, for taking down the Anglers in Action tournament at Lake of the Ozarks last week and winning the giant incentive for buying your boat at Angler Sport Marine. Gang, it does matter where you buy your boat, I promise. Best bass dealer in the whole country, in my opinion. They put so much back into the sport. So many guys now have won that incentive money. It's hard for me to believe anybody else sells them. So, it is what it is. Let's talk baits. So let's imagine it's about 48, 49 degrees and the fish are slowly coming off the stick bait and you want them to bite the spinner bait, but they're just not quite doing it just yet. I didn't always have we always went to the wiggle wart. We always went to something that dove just a little deeper, and that was the influence of Table Rock. But a lot of times I thought that we were going underneath the fish, and in fact, when this bait came out, and I just love it. It is. I will preference this. It is something you have to throw on light line. It's just not something you can throw on 14 or 17 pound line, I don't believe. Now maybe on a grass lake where they're snap it off the grass kind of. So maybe in that situation it would work, some grass lake or something like that. But we found that it falls right in behind the stick bait. And that if you'll put it on 10 or 12 pound line and throw it to sunning fish, that we feel like it pulled up on the rocks to fill the thermals from the sun heating up those rocks. So I've really found that this brown HD craw in my area, now they offer so many different colors, I can't imagine that it's, you know, we did do something with the HD shad looking one, and they have one that looks like a gizzard shad. So a picture kind of like this is almost a photograph on it, but the bait is it's not terribly expensive. I only have one complaint, gang. Only one complaint, and I'm not sponsored by Berkley, and I don't know that there's anything they could do it because, you know, I love Megabass, and Megabass the same thing. If you this one is about twice as durable as the Megabass, but still you can't just chunk it into the rocks all day and expect it not to break. It seems like it breaks right in the middle, and one half of the bill breaks off. I've had 4 or 5 of them do it, so I just refrain from actually, you know, chunking it into the rocks. Sometimes it happens, I get it. Either way, it's a pretty durable bait, and at $8.99 to $10.99 retail, it's not a terribly expensive. It's not a cheapie, but it catches fish. It catches fish in cold conditions. It makes them react. So it is what it is. That was my little bait tip. Put it right in behind the jerk bait before the spinner bait really comes on, and you might actually have yourself a friend for about 10 degrees in the water, from say 48 to 58, 57, 56, something like that. When those fish started to pick things and look down, they came off of it and you had to flip at them. But really impressed with the bait. Kind of small hooks, kind of a small bait. I guess I should get over that I'm not going to land every one of them, but you know me, get a little excited in this one. I apologize, it's the passion showing, so hopefully you can appreciate that. Hopefully this is your kind of thing. Smash the like button, consider subscribing. Here we go.
Dave McCormick's name over there, and then I'll just add it to your sheet later.
Okay.
And I'll just
Right, well, he may not be my...
Well, just give them the other card.
Okay.
And then they just put their name on there, and that way you both have it, and
Okay.
then he has to sign up his membership.
Okay, perfect.
Well, it might be me. Who knows?
Yeah. What if it?
If it is, then next tournament we'll sign you up.
Okay.
We'll just hook that off of you for now.
Perfect. On Thursday, I think I had an 8-pounder right here.
Really?
Yep. There it is. I think it's little. Oh, maybe that one? Nope. Nope. Yeah, that's a crawdad crankbait. Just keep going right. I want you to get right in north-northwest. Yeah. When it started blowing, that's the direction it was blowing out of. There's a big one sitting up there. Right there. Come on, bite that. He did, he bit it. Yes. Yeah. Ready? 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 I saw him bite it. Really? Saw him? He's barely a keeper.
No, he's 16.
Let's measure him just to be sure. Grab a round tag out of there. Okay, he's 16 and a quarter. I saw him. This
You can tell how hot they are when you get a hold of them.
Damn it. If it's a keeper, it's a little one. Oh, it's a big KY.
Jeez, we'll take his ass.
He's a fatty. No, there. Did you ever...
What's that?
So that little cabin you got is kind of a good deal.
Yeah, Chris was ready to give it up. The guy was raising the rate so high. And it was really not high if you get out and look.
Yeah,
He was just paying under market for so long.
yeah, absolutely.
It sure looks like they're drifting.
Yeah. Want to raise it?
Probably will go by it now. Well,
Could be a big one. Could be. Ready? It's a keeper. Lift up. You got it. You can't put a hook in this net. Damn. I thought he was bigger. Is he a keeper?
Board out?
Yeah.
Fatty.
The little female. God, she got it good. She was coming off 100 years. She's not a giant by any means. 15 and a quarter. Fat. Not really the one we're after. I hope they do.
they say good right in the morning, but once it gets bright and sunny and they get a real good look at it, I think you need to be more natural. That's the one that's been murdered.
Wow. That was ready to come off anyway.
Oh, God. Good one. Middle.
Is that 5?
Yeah, it's 4. That's number 4, isn't it?
No, that's 5. He's 15.
It's a little steep.
Good.
That's a fish.
Fish?
That is a fish, dude. Oh my God. Oh, it just come off. I must have had it foul hooked. I never felt it bit. Yeah, come on. You see that? Oh. I mean, I'm pretty sure that was foul hooked, dude. Because I never felt it bite.
For sure,
For
fish.
sure, a fish. For sure. Dude, that was
Bass?
huge. No, I don't think it was.
Oh God. I don't think that'll do it. But might, if it's 15, it'll get rid of that KY. Boy, he looked bigger when he smoked it.
I think it's 15.
He ain't much of a 15. If he is, I mean, it's a little she. She's built right. She's pushed up hard and she barely makes it, but she clearly makes it. She clearly makes it. You chucker. Yep. Looks like to me they might be pulling on her. All right. About time for a 5-pounder to bite. Just when you think you ain't gonna. Boom. Old Biggie. Oh my God! Speak of the devil! Speak of the devil. Yes, please. Please stay on. Please stay on. Oh, he's in a tree. Net in the water. He's not a giant. Yes. If he makes it.
He's making the cut.
Well, right out here in the middle, we'll either that or you just fish and I'll Bubba. Bubba's in here. I cleared it off last night. You'd be hiding a little bit in there. Like right here close, like straight down under. There you go. Okay. Whoa. So, we got to. Okay, he's red, 227. So that the colors match the scale. 266. That's blue.
We got purple right here. 266?
266.
No way.
That's what it says.
Heavy.
Okay. Yes, purple will be next.
What's next?
Green. $229 is purple. Green is next. Boy, he barely measures, doesn't he? This is
He was 15 before. God, they're fat.
209.
Okay.
It's green.
What?
209.
What color? Next.
I gotta look back. Yellow fish. Yellow. That's 5. 216. 16. 216.
This one's gone.
It feels like it.
Yeah.
over there.
Like this right here. But if it was taller, we were catching it right in the shade line.
Oh God! Do you see that? I just had a fish. It was a giant. Look at the whirl. How did he get away? I did. I had him. He hit it. That sucks so bad, dude. For sure. Oh, for sure. That's slacked it. That's exactly what happened. I didn't quite get him. I got that one though. Dude, it's around a tree. It's around that tree over there. Oh, it just come off. Yes, right here. I got my button pushed. Swing her in. We're not leaving now. Look at the size of that dude. Oh my God. Hold on. Let me come back there with you. Dude, that was really shallow. This big girl was really shallow. Well, I'm gonna get the hold of the scale here. Where is it?
This is green.
Hold on.
I think you take green.
209
Green?
green.
Put that one on the green.
Yeah, it automatically does.
So let it go?
Yes, yes. Green 408. Drop that dude in the box and let's just keep going, keep going.
They're in here.
They are in here. There is no doubt. I'm telling you, I had another one right here. Kind of bums me out.
Got it right here, ready to go. Brand
Bobby, you
new.
want to go try your magic?
What's that?
You want to go back and try your magic?
Just keep going right down this bank. I'm thinking I'm going to go right down to the next bucket and do it again into that bucket. I had some gigantic bites, I believe. I figured we'd fish until 2 and then run back down somewhere down there and hide from the wind. I don't know exactly how long it'll take us. Shouldn't take us that long.
No.
But if we leave at 2, I have to. Well, he said also there's somebody to check you in at the dock, so I don't know what the hell he's saying. There's somebody at the dock to check me in. I'm checked in at that point. Doesn't have anything to do with how long it takes me to get on the trailer after that. So he will see that way too. Yeah, no, we probably couldn't even stay in stirret on that side. It's probably just blasting straight down into stirret. Yeah, that's a really bad thing. When I have that kind of waves unabated, right, it's just too much. It's too much for you to fish in too. So it's too much for you to fish in. Ooh, that new one feels good. New one feels good. Hooks are. Got him. Second cast. I can't tell. Feels pretty good. Here it comes. Looks like it.
think it's a, what did I say, 217? 216. 216. He does. If he measures, he's 224. Yes, barely.
What color?
It's yellow. Yes. That hen too. I have a feeling we stay in here the whole time.
Stay in here.
Stay in here. The next one down. The next one after that had bites in all three of them. It felt big. Don't know. I'm just gonna. They are biting a little bit, but then again, that one was on the outside of the mouth. I mean, he hit it. Shallow-ish. I'm going to tell you, I think he bit it twice, and I threw back and he bit it again. But either way, that was my second cast with the new one. I thought I got bit on the first one. I'm under you. Come on, big girl. What was that? Oh, I still got mine. It's a hybrid. Oh my God, there it goes. Is that a hybrid? Hold on, I'm trying to get a look at it. I can't hardly turn it. If it's a bass, dude, you're gonna need to help me net it, whatever it is. Oh, it's a huge hybrid. It's a 20-pounder. Did you see that? It wasn't a bass. It was a giant. I mean, giant. I did too. We got hammered. You felt how sharp that was. That's what we got hit by here earlier. That's exactly what hit me earlier, I swear. Just up here hunting whatever the wind brings him. I honestly didn't even think I had him for sure. Oh, when I mean, he was a Ford truck. That's a Ford truck. It felt like a Ford truck, you know? I mean, bass don't pull like that.
Trying to keep my line wet. That's where my dad caught the big one on chatterbait. Good? Huh?
It's a bass.
Oh yeah. Mine. There. You take the motor out.
Biggun. That was a hybrid either.
Was it?
Get a break. You see that hit my rod in half? Cool. That's great.
All day. All day. Alright, we can head out if you want. Well, I tried, Dave. But I'm going to be honest. I did not participate much. I apologize for my weak performance. But guess what?
I just let a good one go.
I'm gonna do this next time I fish with you. Whenever I whack your ass. Awesome.
These little guys. That ain't gonna work. I got water all over the camera and shit. It's way easier right here. God, Dave. Just fucking so.
You're a pain in my ass. You know that?
Actually, it's the other way around today.
I do bad.
Yeah, well, guess what? The result's the same. That looks like enough, probably. The camera angle.
Jesus. Yeah, okay, never done this.
I can't see it down there. The camera can't see it down there. Can't. Grab hold of that. Compared to everybody else, we ain't got them, that's for sure.
I think they were stick bait.
They were catching them. We weren't. I don't know what they were doing, but we weren't catching them. Easy there. Easy there, buddy. Will you shut the power off? Maybe 14 or 15 pounds.
Somebody should have.
Well, I know I'm gonna cry all the way home with a bad taste in my mouth the whole way. I hate losing fish.
But then I tell you what, the fight did change. They've been so fucking.
Oh God! No!
You're just getting your own bag.
Hey, this one might need that.
Oh, I got 5 babies. You beat me?
No, I'm telling you, they bit today, or they tried to bite
We
today.
got a lot of fish. Just couldn't find no size. 3.8.
7?
6 or 7. I have to look. We put one in every 7. We had 38 boats.
Well, I'm sure it's going to take 15 pounds to get a check, at least, I would think. The way these guys are talking.
Say 15 to get a check?
I would think.
You ain't
17.
getting a check. 13.3. 13.3.
I ain't getting one either, bud.
Neither are we. Neither are we.
Boat 20.
20.
Boat 20. one in there that's a little bigger than the rest of them.
That one. Yeah.
That one right
Back
there.
right over there.
No, there are none.
They're
Here.
out.
Well, I gotta carry one home. Gotta carry it to the lake here.
5-3 on his big. Wow.
They're all.
I know you didn't catch a lot of good fish today. Don't knock these out.
Shit. We gave a lot of.
14-6. Bad day.
Sorry, we'll make that better for you. You could throw your shoulder out there. You could. Us old guys gotta think about things. Ow. Ow. Well, all right, gang. That wraps up the USA Bassin here at Truman Lake. And, yeah, well, Evan and I gave it our all, but, well, we kind of sucked. Is what it is. You got to get the fish in. You can't let them go. You got to put them in the box and bring them in for weigh-in. Early release doesn't get you paid. Is what it is. Hopefully this is your kind of thing. Smash the like button. Consider subscribing. Till next time, thanks for watching.
Hey, Dave. Hello. I'm going to be with Evan Schartzer today. Evan, Gary's son. So what is it for everything?
200. Well, we'll do it next tournament then, okay?
Is that,
150.
there's, you owe me 10.
Yeah, perfect. The wind's gonna blow everything. How are you doing today?
Yeah, it's
What
going
you
to
got done, boat 8?
Boat 8, bro. All right.
Yeah, Dave's boat 8.
Appreciate it, man. We're going to, better be ready. They're going to come in.
Okay. All right, yeah, it's gonna be
You're going to need, it's going to take a huge sack, I have a feeling.
It's our point. Get out of here. Oh, this arm had him. The wind wasn't quite blowing so hard. I didn't come here yesterday. Oh yeah, no. They bit in the wind. You know, I don't know what it is. Feels like a hybrid. It's taking off. Feels like a hybrid. Will you put him in the net? Thank you. Thank you. Let me go out here and set the spot lock and get rid of this. That's what I had on that last one. Oh, look at you. Want to be a Billy Badass, huh? God, I'd like to take you home and eat your ass! Billy Badass and my 12-pound line. The only reason I was able to land him. You got one too? Bass? Hybrid.
Oh yeah, it's a big old bag.
Is it really? Is that on your spinnerbait? Oh God, head up. Get his head up. Oh my God! Look at that donk! You caught the Donkazilla! Would you look at the girth of that thing? Told you there's some big ones fighting.
Hold it down.
Well, we're going this way, sir.
That hybrid helped out. It gave me the angle.
Well, he might be running with him. Who knows? You know what I mean? This lake is crazy. You saw how fat that hybrid was. I saw how fat your bass is. They're buddies. They're eating buddies. You going to the buffet? I'm going to the buffet.
Got the weight of the world on them, yeah, they're too strong. I might have been down, not out. It's on sight, you gon' figure that out. And I might have been down, not out. Only